Origin is a graphing and analysis software trusted by over 500,000 scientists and engineers worldwide. There are many ways to bring your data into Origin. The easiest is to simply drag and drop a file into the workspace to get started. Origin provides data connectors for a wide variety of file formats. Your worksheet stays connected to the data file. The data connector icon provides a menu with several options, including easy re-importing of data when the external file is updated. Simply select the data on a worksheet and click the desired plot button to create a graph. Zoom and pan into the axes scales to interactively explore your data. Use tools such as a vertical cursor to read values. Origin ships with over 200 graph templates for you to select from, arranged by category under the plot menu. The Graph Maker app allows users to simply drag and drop columns to create and customize publication quality graphs with ease. Use mini toolbar buttons for quick and easy graph customization. For worksheets containing many columns of data, easily switch to a more compact list view. Create a browser graph and use the navigation panel to explore and compare multiple data sets. Add a gadget to analyze the data. Results update as you switch from one data set to another. Further explore your data using the Data Highlighter tool to select areas of interest in a graph layer. Corresponding data points are highlighted in all other graphs created from the same worksheet. Origin provides powerful tools for analyses, such as curve fitting. Numerous options are available for customizing an analysis, giving the user full control of the fitting process. When an analysis is performed, a detailed report sheet with parameter values, statistics, and embedded graphs is created. Build a custom report using HTML or Markdown syntax in a separate notes window. Add desired graphs and tables and a company logo, and you have a report that is ready to share with others. Simply drag and drop a new data file to replace the original data, and the analysis results and report are all automatically updated, all without writing a single line of code. Download a fully functional trial of Origin today and see for yourself how our user-friendly yet powerful interface and tools can help you to visualize, explore, and analyze your data.